I've always been interested in the dental industry. It's not just your teeth, it's your health in general. Your teeth are connected to so many different parts of you, like your heart and your brain, and that's something that not a lot of people piece together. And so really to just be that comforter and provider for them, I think it's something that's really important.
The staff was incredible at Francis Tuttle.
The teachers always made it really fun and interactive.
She was great at lecturing. She told stories to make us remember certain things.
She's really good about making that bond and checking up on you, making sure you're doing okay. She's been very one-on-one with each and every one of us. I've gained a lot of confidence just going through this class because I was like, I'm going to be really active. I'm going to try to really put myself out there because I'm going to have to talk to people and interact with them more. So I really got to get out of my bubble.
You're trying to help someone through a procedure. You're trying to help people schedule, and people tell you their problems. I feel like if you're a hairstylist or work in the dental field, you are a therapist. They want to tell you what's going on with them and their lives.
It's kind of nerve-wracking thinking about going into the health field.
I mean, you don't grow up knowing a ton about dental, so it was all very foreign.
When we started coming into the lab, it was really cool just getting that hands-on experience.
It really surprised me how in-depth everything went. You learn every type of procedure when you're in the program.
They'll demonstrate how to take an impression and how to transfer instruments. Radiography was the hardest, but it was definitely the coolest thing to do on a person. Being able to see that image, I can see the root of your tooth.
At the office that I work at, everything we have there, they have here.
I think it's set us up to really succeed. Francis Tuttle is a CODA-accredited program.
You come out having passed your CDA, all 3 components.
You have all these qualifications. You'll take the board exam.
You come out being certified in every type of expanded function that they want in Oklahoma as well as out of the state. Everything you're qualified in and certified in is what a doctor wants. They only wanted Francis Tuttle students.
I chose this industry because I really did want to help people not only improve their smiles, but improve their health. Francis Tuttle was really set up to prepare you to go out into your field and completely thrive. Having an opportunity to put a smile on someone's face. I want to do this every single day for the rest of my life.